dysfunctional vet here. What I'm doing is I'm installing a single gang box onto my utility pole service drop. As you can see, I've already knocked out one of the holes and I'm getting ready to knock out the other one. If you flip this little baby over, see if I can zoom in on this little baby. You'll notice that you have this little dimple right there. The way you get that thing out, now I'm using the corner of my trailer. What you do with that is you take a screwdriver on the inside and punch along the edge, and that will come right out. Let me show you how that works. Now when I punch this thing, it's going to probably move just a little bit. This is my dimple, and you can see the little divot there. My dimple. So what I want to do is make sure that I'm not on the, back this off. I want to make sure that I'm not on the trailer anywhere, but I'm close to the edge for support. I hold this in place and I give a real hard rap with a hammer. And it is out. Now this hole's a little bigger than the other one because I punched this one barely and then I popped it out with a screwdriver. But that's how that's done. Now let's go put it on the pole. I used to use dry board screws because they were aggressive and would hold, but I find that they rust after 10 years. So I've gone to using these sort of a bronze colored aggressive outdoor deck screws. They are Stork's drive, and you need a impact driver in order to drive them. If you use a normal screwdriver, like a drill, hand drill, it will work, but it's going to burn the unit out because it requires so much power. So let me show you how I install this. What I will do is I will take the electrical box that I'm going to put in. I'm going to turn this slightly because I want to move it a little bit further over, away from these. I'm going to have to loosen this up and turn it because previously the way I had it, it was down here and I could reach them. But with this different configuration I can't. So I hold this in place, get it nice and straight. I put one of my screws in. Make sure it's tight up there. Once it starts to go, it really goes. Alright, it's on. I get my other one. I put it into place. It's now in. And that's how you do that. The last thing to do on this box is to take this nut and place on it.